Hello and welcome. This is The Lounge, and my name is Amanya, and I'm glad that you're here with me today. Today, we are talking about corn pudding. So, I love corn pudding, and of course, I would love bread pudding too. But today, it's all about the corn. And so, corn pudding is one of my favorites, and I discovered it several years ago. I was looking for something sweet and different, and I wanted to get away from the bread. And so I was like, well, let me try corn pudding. And so I went to work, I got my recipe, and I put one together. So I'm going to be sharing that recipe today. But first, a little bit about corn pudding. It is a it's a side dish that you can have any time of the year, but a lot of people tend to have it during the holiday seasons. And for me, I like it anytime. And I'll do it like around the Christmas season, feast of Easter, and other times as well, and whenever I feel like it. It is a great side item, but I've discovered that you can really have it as a dessert as well. So I like it with a little bit of whipped cream or a little bit of vanilla ice cream drizzled on top, a little bit of honey, and voila, you have yourself a savory, delicious, crunchy dessert because of the whole corns that's also in the recipe. So, if you're interested in learning how I enjoy and how I make my corn pudding, please stay tuned. It turned out wonderful. I enjoyed it so much. I enjoyed it so much because I had it during the Christmas holiday. And so, and there was still much left over of the other foods that I ended up making a second corn pudding to continue the feast until New Year's. So it was really great and I really, really enjoyed it. And I know you will too. And if you enjoy the recipe, if you do it, please let me know so I'll know, if how you like it and how it turned out for you. Mine turned out beautifully. And so I would love to hear that, how you're doing it and how you're making it. If you have a different recipe, do you like cayenne in there? Because I do. And, what do you do? Do you add different kind of spices to bring the heat? What do you do? I'd love to hear from you. So thanks again for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out my authors page on Amazon where it's a new year. You can get yourself a new planner, new notebooks, new journal to really start connecting with self, connecting with God. I have a beautiful word search that's in there all about the life of Jesus. So check it out. It really does help me to continue to do the work that I'm doing here on this channel. Thank you so much.